All right, let's see if fuel's going to work this time. And it's working. Let's go. All right. Hey, thanks a lot, Sickinox. I heard Led Zeppelin was shit. Yeah. I heard they're all right. I heard they're okay. Led Zeppelin. Yeah. Wait till they hear about Stevie Nicks. We can never release the drum solo from In the Air Tonight. Do 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 do. You know, we can never release that, or else that might cause the Earth to explode if they all hear that. Wait till that happens. All right. Let's go to mmap. They might know where Eminem got his stuff from with that one song. What was it? Stan or whatever? When he talks about In the Air Tonight, I think. They're finally going to realize, like, oh my God, that's what he was talking about. Was it that song where he says it? I forget. But man, I like how people are like getting mad about it too. They should be listening to Master of Puppets. Like, well, what the fuck? You know, I'm sure that a lot of people, and like, you know. Hey, thanks a lot for following, Ralph Fiez. I'm sure that like the first guy that invented the piano was like, no, Beethoven can't play. You know? So it's like they can't. That song came out of a show. They're not true Metallica fans. No, the true Metallica fans got sued during Napster. That's what happened to the true Metallica fans. Like right there. There you go. All right, so we got a fuel CMS here. That's what happened. So you keep true Metallica. Hey. All right, so we got fuel CMS. We got version 1.4. I think I messed with this version actually before. Search point fuel CMS version 1.4. So we got some remote code execution that'll probably work on this guy, it looks like. Now, I think I've definitely messed with fuel before. Let's go ahead and try out that remote code execution stuff right there. We'll do a search exploit. I mean, I guess that this kind of goes along with what we were just doing, right? I remember after that happened, the whole Metallica, whenever they sued everybody, and like they're like all mad and everything about Napster and all that stuff. I remember like the songs, all you had to look up was like Metallica, you know? And like there's so many ways around it, because back then they were just looking for Metallica and that exact song name. So it would be like Metallica, the Three Horsemen, you know? Give me a combustible liquid. You know, like, I think that song's Fuel, guys. Do I work in cyber? Yes, I work as networking. All right, let's go ahead and do a sublime the combustible fuel. Let's go and sublime this guy like right here. Let's see what he's all about. So we're obviously going to change the URL like right here. And I'm thinking like that's it. What's this going to do for us? Says it's remote code execution. Looks like we're putting in a command. Okay. So it looks like we're getting some type of remote code execution. We're going to be putting in a command or something, obviously. It looks like, at least from right now, from what I'm seeing. And I guess we'll just kind of go with that. Like right there. Raw input command. And that's going to Burp Suite. We don't need to go to Burp Suite. We don't need a proxy for it. So we can start getting rid of some of this stuff. We don't need to do that. We don't need to do this. We don't need to do that, I don't think. I don't think we need to do those three things like right there. I don't think. Let's go ahead and keep the Burp Suite one up. Just get rid of the Burp Suite one. Because I've messed with Fuel before. And I remember I've had to mess with this guy before also. We're obviously going to need a different URL. Right? So we have Our URL is going to be not that. Yeah, that was funny back in the day. Just how to like get around it. So we got that, right? So we got our URL link right there. Don't think we actually need like fuel CMS or anything like that afterwards. Nothing like that. Raw input command. XXXX equals raw input command. Do we call for that again anywhere? I'm thinking about getting rid of that and then doing something like a command input, you know? But let's keep it like this for now. We'll send it off and we'll see what it says. Oh god, I'm still in pi. Whoops. Okay, so it says I was trying to go back to the burp proxy. So we don't need it to do that. So let's go ahead and I think we can actually get rid of this part too. I think we get rid of this whole thing, like right here. Okay. I have to mess with you guys some more. Because it's looking for that R. Request, get burps, 0 URL, proxy. LimeWire? Hell yeah. I'm thinking what we do is we make like a I don't think I need the rest of that. Because that's for the burp proxy, I think. And then like right there is for the burp proxy. I don't know. Plus URL lib. Where's URL lib at? Okay. We're trying to get it so it runs our command, but we don't need that burp URL 0. We need to do something like a command injection in here. Because we're not going to do it through a burp proxy. We don't need the proxy for it. That's why. So we're going to take this guy right here. We're going to copy him. We're going to put him down here. And then we're going to say that R equals the command inject, I believe. And then it should ask for the text. It should be request.get command inject. We got the R equals the burp, but we're not doing that. We just want to go back to command inject. And I believe command inject is going to call for XXXX, which is right here, which is the command which we type in after we do it. I think. I think that's what I just did. Well, we did something. Is that who we are? Yep, we're getting it. That's the ID, so we're getting it. Let's go! Let's freaking go! Alright, so we are getting some type of command injection here, right? Can we do like an LS-TAC LA? Can I do something like that? Or is it not going to like that? Just says system. Okay. Can we do like a reverse shell? With like a bash reverse shell or something like that? I would think we would be able to. I don't know. I don't know. Alright, let's try like a bash reverse shell or something like that. Let's go ahead and cat. Or can we do like a witch netcat? Just do a netcat reverse shell? So there is netcat here. Let's go ahead and cat reverse shell. Scripts. Let's try the netcat one again. Let's go ahead and throw this guy into there. It's going to be 10.10.0.16. Let's see if this will work. Port 4242. Oh, this is going to work like right here. Let's go ahead and do a netcat LVM PM 4242. Let's try this. Let's go! There we go. Oh, it hates me. Okay. Okay, I just couldn't open it that one. Okay. Oh, fuck the alarms. You just remember yesterday when we decided to brute force someone for an hour and a half? All right. Let's do CD at home. Oh, we gotta get a full shell first. Don't know her password. But if we are her, maybe we can look in there. Get a better shell here. Might be able to do something like that. Let's go ahead and get a better shell here. I don't have my notes open. Wow, Ryan. Wow. Let me go ahead and do a little for web. I'm going to do a fuel CMS. Let's go put in exactly what I have over here. Okay, there we go. Do a CD backpack, make directory fuel. Oh, CD to fuel. Let's go ahead and do a nano IDRSA. And now let's do an SSH TAC I. Moira. Or IDRSA. Change mode. 600. SSH TAC I IDRSA for MOIRA. At that IP address. Okay, we got better shell now. Probably still got to do a sudo tac out though. We don't know our password. What about a scripts? SUID lookup. See if she can do anything like that. really look like anything's sticking out to me immediately. Anything's a lot bit invader for the foul. Nothing's really sticking out to me immediately over here. Okay, nothing really immediately sticking out. Let's go into CD into VAR backups. Okay, nothing really in there. Let's CD back into home. Let's CD into, well, a bunch is not going to do anything. Never mind. Let's just kind of just be there. Hey, thanks a lot for following, Mr. Hurley. Oh, what's up, Sharma? How you doing? Good morning. Or it's there for that reverse shell in case you did some type of command execution to be able to go back and grab it. Like a cat for or something like that. CD attempt. Nothing really in there. Let's go ahead and CD into temp again. And we'll go ahead and CD into tools over here. And let's do a wget for HTTP 10.00.10.10.016 slash linpeas.sh. Let's go ahead and do a web server over here. What's up, Mr. Baggenhead? How you doing? Doing change mode plus X for that linpeas file. Period slash linpeas. Let's see what we got going on in here. See if we got anything that really sticks out to us. So for everyone that came in looking to do the black boxes on EJPT, the site's down. They're broke. We do have this 3306 still. We could always try to get in there. I'm wondering if we can get in with root and no password. This thing should actually tell us if we can do that or not. Somewhere in here. We do have 3306 there. So I'm wondering if we can grab a password from there. With root password, root tor, something like that. Root admin, something like that. Oh, thanks for subscribing on YouTube. Oh my God. This guy's taking a minute. Alright. It's taking long enough. You've done enough. We can always do while that guy's running. Fuel. Now let's go with SSH tech I. IDRSA tech P. Don't need that. Her name was shit. That wasn't her name. It wasn't shit, but it was something. MOIRA. And their IP address was shit again. Didn't I have to fix somewhere in here? That guy? Something like that, right? That looks about right. Looks close enough. I don't know. Is that it? It's probably not the right IP. Alright, we're in. Alright, let's go ahead and cap.bash history. All right here. Your password. 7% glass. Fuels. Fuel. Let's go. All right, we got our password now. All right. She can outrun sudo. Ah, yes, yes. Oh, password was kind of useless then. All right, so we found her password at least. So we at least have a password now. I figured we'll spell that password, probably run sudo or some of that, but I guess not. Let's cut that bash history again. 1 second. Something else pointed out to me. Let's go! Same password. Well, the Ubuntu user does, but... Such a cold let's go? What do you mean? Join cat system.txt, and we are done with that. Alright. Oh, we still got to cat the other one. Alright, fuel is now finished. Cool.